All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at the J. Patrick homes. Now, this one's in Artavia. This is the McKenzie. So you are going to have 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, plus you're going to have a little bit under 3,500 square feet. This one is a 3-car garage. And then, of course, this is the model house. So a lot of them are going to be upgrades. But as soon as you look on top of the ceilings, you're going to have that rotunda-like ceiling with the curved staircase. And then immediately we'll walk into the first bedroom. The good thing is about this bedroom, you do have the high ceilings, which creates that illusion of a lot more room. And quite frankly, it is a ton of space inside of here. You know, with this plan being a little bit under 3,500 square feet, you're definitely going to see that as soon as you walk in. And so on this first bedroom, you're going to have that accent wall right here. You have this king size bed with the 2 night tables. And as you can tell, you have plenty of space with the LED ceiling fan on top. And this one's going to have a large full size bathroom that's attached. So of course you do have the white cabinetry with the stainless steel handles with the stainless steel lighting fixture. And you do have a full size walk-in shower. As you can tell, you have that waterfall shower head right there with the built-in shower bench. You have a nice size walk-in closet as well. The tile flooring extends inside of here, which is fantastic. And then you also have built-in shelving, which is perfect. You can put your linens in there or anything that you might need. And as you can tell inside of here, you do have the wood flooring inside of here as well. Not to mention, you do have a powder bath. Now, this one does have the quartz countertops with those floating countertops as well, and the stainless steel lighting fixture. And then obviously this area is perfect. You can put your Christmas tree right here. And this will be going in to the kitchen. So you have your stack cabinets on top with the wooden range hood. You do have these quartz countertops in here, which is absolutely fantastic. I love the color decor inside of here. I think it complements the white cabinetry very, very well. But even as you can tell on the top with these stacked cabinets, that's absolutely perfect. And this would be your mud room. Of course, you do have that 3-car garage as well. And I'll pan right here one more time. If you notice, you even have these 3 lighting fixtures overlooking the oversized island. And then right here, you have your dining table, which is perfect. They have it where you have a total of 8 seats. So it just kind of gives you a basis of how much room you have inside of here. And then now looking into your great room. So again, you do have the high ceilings. You have that large electric fireplace right here as well. Perfect for entertaining. I mean, the open concept is perfect for having the guests over. Absolutely gorgeous. And that's one of those things, you know, depending on what kind of floor plan that you want. I mean, the McKenzie is absolutely fantastic. It's perfect for, you know, mid-sized families or even larger families, as you can tell. And then going into the primary bedroom, you have the tray ceilings on top with that beautiful chandelier coming down as well. You have this nice accent wall right here. And you definitely have a large amount of room inside of here. I love the bay windows over here because you definitely have plenty of space to put these nice decorations as far as the chair is concerned, even with the dresser. And I love going in here. You have your double doors right here. You have the dual sinks inside of here as well. Floating countertops again, and you have this oversized large mirror, which is perfect. I love that it's just one solid piece. Gorgeous. And then this will be your nice size soaking tub. I love right here. Let me see. Okay. See if that was a cabinet right there. But I love this. I love all the tile inside of here. Definitely gives it the nice look. It's a nice sleek look. And this will be your oversized shower. So perfect for two people right here. You got your stainless steel waterfall shower heads again, the shower niches right here as well. You got two of those with a built-in shower bench. All right, now this will be the closet. So you got the tile flooring extending in here again with the built-in shelving over here as well. Perfect for the shoes and things like that. And then if you go around here, you have enough space right here. How we always mention, putting the suitcase or any luggage that you may have. That way it's out of sight, out of mind. And then this will be another closet right here. And of course you have your toilet. And so this is typically built on a 70-foot lot, but you know, of course, depending on what you need or what requirements you need, we could see about getting bigger lots or smaller lots depending on what you are looking for. And then of course, that was the pantry right there. So you do have a walk-in pantry, and we'll go upstairs so that way you see, but I absolutely love that ceiling up there. You have that accent on that rotunda. And then going up the curved staircase, you're immediately going to be greeted with your game room. So you have this nice room right here, of course, with the tray ceilings. You have plenty of space over here. As you can see, they have a ping pong table, but if it's something where you want to put maybe a pool table or just have the sofa up here where you can entertain guests and maybe watch some TV, watch some football, that'll be perfect as well. And this will be the third bedroom right here. So you got carpet inside of here, but depending on if you like carpet or you dislike carpet, we could see about getting that changed for you as well. So you definitely have enough room. This does have a full-size bathroom as well. You have that shower tub combo with the tile flooring extending in here as well. You got your stainless steel shower head, stainless steel lighting fixtures, recessed lighting extending here, and I love the navy blue cabinets. And then of course you got your window. If it is a little smelly in here, you can go ahead and air that out. And then this will be the closet right here. So it's not a walk-in closet, but you do have a decent amount of space. And then we'll go right across the way, and that way you can see the media room right here. So you got your ceiling fan inside of here. Look how large this couch is, and it fits perfectly in here. The one good thing is about this media room, sometimes you may see other ones that are really snug, but this is almost another bedroom, the amount of space you have in here. So you do have your entertainment center right here. And then with your nice size TV, I believe that's a 75-inch TV. So of course, if you just eliminated that and maybe put a projector, that may be perfect for you, give you a little bit more room or a little bit more space. And this will be the fourth bathroom right here. You have the tile flooring, shower tub combo. You got the tile backsplash as well. And then I'll show right here. And this one's connected to the hallway as well as connected to the fourth bedroom. So you got plenty of space. So right here, that's a queen size bed right there with 2 nightstands. And I think you have adequate space. I mean, with this being almost 3,500 square feet, you definitely can see what we get. I mean, the rooms are definitely not tiny or skimp whatsoever. The good thing is you do have a full-size walk-in closet inside of here. I love the windows up here, adding in more natural light. Perfect. And then we'll head back down and go take a look. So again, I mean, this is the model house, so there are a lot of upgrades that you may or may not want. So just depending, once you get to, you know, the design center, and then you'll figure out structural options and cosmetic options for yourself. That'll be perfect. And then we'll take a look at the covered. Now this is the covered backyard patio right here. So you have this little section over here and it extends all the way over here. Perfect for the family, perfect for entertaining. You got your built-in stainless steel grill over here with your sink. And I'll pan this way. And so keep in mind, folks, so they do eventually sell off the model house. So if it's something where you just love this location, you would love to be positioned right back here with the lake view, then we'll figure out a timeline when they do decide to sell off the model house. But keep in mind, they do have plenty of lots, so you'll be good to go. But that, folks, is J. Patrick Homes. And I didn't forget the study, folks. All right, Rankin family, so that was the lovely J. Patrick Homes. I hope you absolutely loved it just as much as I did. Of course, if you do want more information, I have all of it in the description below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.